Well, I don't usually like working at night, but I want to get this done. What I'm going to do is mark around this pipe. I've got to cut sort of a angled cut. Comes from lack of planning, but at least I got it. At least I got the pipe in there. About 24 degrees out here. When you are cutting an angled hole with a hole saw, you have to start it straight on 90 degrees to the surface, because it won't work otherwise. I gotta get something. Gotta have this handle on there, otherwise it'll twist your arm off. A lot of times these things you're drilling out stick in there. Well, I'm straightening out this Romex because I'm going to be pulling this through the conduit that I made. So it's a struggle to try to get it untwisted. I'm just taking two pairs of pliers and twisting it like that. I don't mind a little bit of twist in it, but not too much. This is old Romex. It's probably 5 or 10 years old. So I'm going to reuse it because it's not in too bad a shape. I think I'm going to just leave the rest of it the way it is already. Then I'm going to take the new Romex, since I want to pull two strands of it. through my conduit. You got to unroll that and untwist it too. I feel that the twists are just going to make it harder to pull a wire through the conduit. So, and I'm probably not doing it like an electrician would do it, but I'm not an electrician. Just a construction guy and a cabinet maker, and I'm not an electrician per se, although I have done some electrical work. Alright, so I've got one end cut and straightened out. So I'm going to put the two ends together and tape them together. Sometimes you have to use your utility knife to get it started. But wrap a good amount of tape around the end. I have seen electricians do this kind of work, but I've helped with this kind of work, but not very much. And it was quite a while ago also. So I figure that's pretty good. We'll cut that. Make sure the seams are covered, which they are. Make sure the end is fairly good. I think I'll put some more tape on there. That should be good. Then I'm going to take dishwashing liquid and pull it through. Well, I'm going to try a trick that I saw on YouTube, and I'm going to take this bunch of string here. This is just fairly light string. I bought probably at Walmart. I don't remember where I bought it. And so I put electrical tape around this bag right here, and I'm going to put the string wrapped up in there. And then I'll cut it off when I get done here. But just what I understand, just wrap your tape around there, and I sort of made a ball that I thought would go in 1.5-inch pipe, 1.5-inch conduit that I've got. So we'll see if it works. If not, we'll try something else. Okay, well, there it is. Got my string attached. I made this small attachment so I can attach this this pipe to the wall. And then I'm going to use this material here, which is plastic, to attach it to the wall. Just use your side cutters to cut this plastic. And then you use screws to attach it to the wall. And I have a quick attachment for my drill. Got to drill a couple pilot holes first. I'm just using 1 1/4" screws. I made this little fixture here with maple, but you can use just about any kind of wood you want. I'm going to use a longer screw for this one because I want it to wrap around the pipe really tight. There you go, you got it real nice, it's firm. Also, might check with your level. It's not quite level, but it'll be okay. Okay, well, I made a slight balloon out of the bag, just a Walmart bag, and then I put it in my conduit, and then I used this vacuum cleaner to get it out. And there it is. It came out like I wanted it to. So now I gotta now I gotta get another rope, hook it on to that small string, and then pull that through. Here's where I stuck the string in, this hole right here, and you can see that it came all the way through. I'm going to shut this, leave this in here, because it's not going to hurt anything now. I'm going to work on it tomorrow. Here's where I stuck the string in, this hole right here, and you can see that it came all the way through. I'm going to shut this, leave this in here, because it's not going to hurt anything now. I'm going to work on it tomorrow.